We'll guide you through how to make a color flash effect in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your search bar and typing After Effects so you can locate the program on your device. Once you see it, open After Effects and wait for it to load fully. When the interface appears, look at the project bar, right-click on it, and create a new composition by selecting the option labeled New Composition. After that, set your composition settings based on what you need, including size, frame rate, and duration. When the composition is ready, you can bring footage into the project by right-clicking on the project bar again. Choose Import, then select File, and pick the footage you want to use. After it loads into the project panel, drag and drop the footage into the timeline so it becomes part of your composition. With the footage placed, right-click inside the timeline once more, choose New, and then pick Adjustment Layer to create a layer that will hold your effects. Now go to the Effect and Presets panel and search for the exposure effect. When you find it, drag it onto the adjustment layer. Then return to the same panel, search for Tint, and add that effect to the adjustment layer as well. In the tint effect, choose the color you want to apply so the look matches your idea. When the color is set, turn on keyframes for both the exposure value and the amount to tint setting. On the first keyframe, adjust the exposure to whatever level fits your style, and set the amount to tint to 100 so the effect is fully applied at the start. For the second keyframe, set both the exposure value and the tint amount back to 0 so the effect fades out. After placing these keyframes, select them both and press F9 to apply Easy Ease, which smooths the animation. Then open the graph editor and adjust the graph in a way that gives you the motion you want from the effect change. If you prefer, you can follow your own sense of timing or match the settings you mentioned earlier. This final step helps you shape how quickly the effect ramps in and out, giving you control over how smooth the change feels. Take your time adjusting the curve until it matches the mood you want in your edit. When everything looks right, your basic effect setup is complete and ready for tweaks later.